Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Bluesky. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And here you will search about Bluesky and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Bluesky. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install the key to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.